right, here we got a 7,000, 6-row, 30-inch, no-till, finger pickup. Liquid fertilizer is, the tanks are on it. Does have finger pickup, corn meters in it. The tanks are on it. They're not factory Demco. Somebody added to them, but there is a squeeze pump, but I don't see. It looks like it's going down in furrow, so it looks like there's a little hose coming that will pump some down in the row. Tongue's good and straight. Insecticide, rubber closing wheels. Got one of them like here. It's got a little crack in the edges of it. Other than that, they look like they're decent. Got yet no-tills on it. Gauge wheels feel okay. Blades look fair. Has a nice frame, and there's a weld on the marker right there. Trying to show you everything we walk around it.